Meet Ultra, the groundbreaking fully autonomous vehicle that's set to redefine the future of transportation. Designed for a world beyond human drivers, Ultra operates without a steering wheel, pedals, or any manual controls. Equipped with an advanced suite of artificial intelligence, LiDAR, radar sensors, and 360-degree cameras, Ultra can navigate complex environments entirely on its own, making real-time decisions in response to traffic, obstacles, weather conditions, and unexpected road events. On the outside, Ultra's sleek pod-like design blends futuristic aesthetics with aerodynamic efficiency. Its frame is built from lightweight carbon fiber and aerospace-grade aluminum, offering both strength and superior energy efficiency. Step inside, and you'll enter a premium cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a conventional car. With reclining ergonomic seating, custom ambient lighting, panoramic smart glass windows, and a voice-activated infotainment system, every detail is designed for passenger comfort, entertainment, and productivity. Under the hood, Ultra runs on a high-performance electric drivetrain, capable of delivering over 400 miles of range on a single charge. The vehicle supports wireless charging pads for seamless energy replenishment, while solar-assisted panels on the roof offer an eco-friendly energy boost during daylight hours. Whether it's parked or cruising, Ultra remains connected to the cloud, ensuring continuous updates, diagnostics, and system optimization. Ultra also features V2X, vehicle-to-everything communication, enabling it to interact with smart infrastructure, other autonomous vehicles, and pedestrians. This allows for coordinated traffic flows, collision avoidance, and responsive rerouting in real time, making it especially valuable for smart cities, urban transit networks, and corporate campuses. Beyond just transportation, Ultra is a modular mobility platform. Its adaptable interior and scalable software make it ideal for ride-sharing services, private luxury use, automated delivery, or fleet operations. Whether you want to work, relax, or sleep during your journey, Ultra makes it effortless. Safe, sustainable, and luxurious. Ultra isn't just the future of driving. It's a bold step into a world where transportation is intelligent, efficient, and completely autonomous.